Welcome to Glenwood Springs, Colorado's land of water. Two rivers flow through this Colorado Rocky Mountain town, the Roaring Fork and the Colorado. To add to these watery delights, there are 3 hot springs attractions in which to soak, steam, soothe, and exhilarate. Let's take a quick tour. You'll arrive at Glenwood Springs Historic Train Depot, built in 1904 of brick and locally quarried red sandstone. This station welcomes daily stops by Amtrak's California Zephyr route that travels between San Francisco and Chicago, as well as the famed Rocky Mountaineer luxury train. Emerge from the station onto 7th Street, known as Glenwood Springs Restaurant Row. Stroll the welcoming downtown, shopping and dining as you wander. You may even want to stop at a local brewery for a cold pint. As you cross the pedestrian bridge, you can take in the views of the Colorado River, waving to the rafters as they pass under the bridge. Stop at the overlook to see the immense Glenwood Hot Springs Resort. This is the world's largest mineral hot springs pool and welcomes all ages to soak in its healing waters. Across the bridge, you'll see the historic Hotel Colorado. Built in 1893, the hotel has hosted a variety of notables, including President Theodore Teddy Roosevelt, the unsinkable Molly Brown, and gangster Al Capone, to name just a few. Did someone say hot springs? That's right, we have 3 hot springs attractions. Besides Glenwood Hot Springs Resort's famous world's largest mineral springs pool, there are 4 even hotter pools at the resort. Temperatures range from 33 to 40 degrees Celsius. There are cooler pools for wellness circuits that vary in temps from 12 to 22. And an adventure river called Shoshone Chutes, named for the gnarliest whitewater rapids on our stretch of the Colorado River. If steam saunas appeal, the Yampa Spawn Vapor Caves will be the spot to soak in the hot springs vapors in a natural cave setting. There are an array of spa services above the caves, so treat yourself to rejuvenation while in Glenwood Springs. The newest attraction in town is Iron Mountain Hot Springs and World Springs. It features 29 mineral springs pools of various sizes and temperatures located right along the bank of the Colorado River. Besides the soaking pools, there are cold plunges, freshwater swimming pools, and poolside food and beverage service. If you want thrills, check out America's only mountaintop theme park. At Glenwood Caverns Adventure Park, there are heart-pumping roller coasters, fear-facing swings, awe-inspiring cavern tours, and jaw-dropping views. As the most decorated caverns in Colorado, this attraction was recently named a National Natural Landmark by the Department of the Interior. Adventures abound in Glenwood Springs, the Glenwood Canyon, and the surrounding White River National Forest. Besides rafting, kayaking, and fishing on our rivers, you can enjoy cycling on paved trails through the valley or mountain bike on single tracks through rugged terrain with outstanding views. If hiking is your thing, there are more than a dozen trailheads easily accessed from the center of town. One of the easiest and most notable hikes is the Doc Holliday Trail that winds around Lookout Mountain to the Pioneer Cemetery. There you'll find the dentist-turned-gambler and sharpshooter's memorial. After a day of adventuring, relax and enjoy the comfort of your lodgings. Wake up with a feeling of peace and longing for your next trip to Glenwood Springs, Colorado.